What's up, everyone? My name is Rob Anderson. I'm here with James and Ashley. They're from the UK. We're on the Las Vegas Strip, and we're going to do a little bit of magic for them. Now, I stopped you guys. You look like you're a couple, maybe out on date night. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. As long as you're not brother and sister, because I'm doing romantic magic tonight. If you are, it gets awkward. So it's date night. We're doing romantic magic on date night. How long have you guys been together?
13 and a half years.
Oh my goodness, 13. Wow, congratulations on that. I don't think I've known my own brother that long. That's a while. Congrats. Well, I'll tell you what, I want to take you guys back to early in the relationship. 13 years ago, you went on some of those first dates and got to know each other, realized you liked each other, and held hands and stuff. I want to take you back to that. You're going to hold hands during this trick. James, if you could hold one hand out towards Ashley. I'm going to give you a card. We'll use the 5 of clubs. Ashley, could you please place your hand on top of that card in James's hand, so you're holding hands? Perfect, just like that. You guys remember those first dates when you're holding hands? We're talking about love tonight, and I'm going to use the Ace of Hearts, but I think this is better for you guys to have because we are talking about love. Celebrating your love, we're going to do that, and we're going to do that. And I want you to tell me, did you feel that? Because those cards just changed. The 5, and look what you have. You should have the heart. Perfect.
Wow.
We're 1 for 1. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I made a prediction, actually. A few minutes ago, I made a prediction about meeting a compatible couple out here, and you guys seem compatible. I think this is going to go very well. I made a prediction on 4 queens, actually. Ashley, I don't want you to think of using sleight of hand. Could you hold these just like I have them, with your palm up, just like this? Just gently hold them. Perfect. You're holding 4 queens. I won't show you yet, but I will show you in a minute. I think I've predicted what you're about to do here. It's a 2-part trick having to do with compatibility. Ashley, James chose red cards, hearts and diamonds. You can keep either one. Which one would you like to keep, heart or diamond? Oh, the heart instead of the diamond. Love instead of money. She's a keeper. Here's what's interesting. I did make a prediction. No funny moves. I predicted you two would choose 1 card. I predicted 1 card. You chose the Queen of Hearts. I predicted the Queen of Hearts in there. That's why I took it from a totally different deck of cards.
Wow.
I was so sure about what you would do. I told you I was committed from the beginning. That's why I didn't actually bring anything else with me except that Queen of Hearts for the 2 of you. You're very compatible.
Wow.
Thank you. And I'm glad that worked out.
Yeah.
Let's do one more. Okay, let's do the grand finale. Are you ready for the grand finale?
Yeah.
All right, we'll do the grand finale. Ashley, I'd like you to help out with this, actually. I'd like you to think of any special moment, any happy memory at all from your relationship with James. Could be anything. Don't say it out loud. Just think about it. I'm not going to try to figure it out. When you've got that, I'd like you to think about what time it happened, to the nearest hour, just 1 through 12 o'clock to the nearest hour. You can approximate if you need to. Okay? Don't say it out loud, though. 4, 3, 2, and 1 o'clock. I have to figure that time out. I'm going to read your mind in order to do that. Are you ready? I'm kidding, that doesn't do anything. That's nonsense. No, I'm gonna use this fork I stole from dinner earlier instead. We're gonna lay this exactly where I believe you're thinking of. Again, if 12 is right here, just keep thinking of your time as I turn the table a little bit. I'm gonna turn it towards me again. Our hour hand is here. I'm gonna lay our hour hand down to complete the clock. I believe you're thinking right now, I'm gonna lay it at 11, but it's not 11 you're thinking of. It's actually 12 o'clock, was it? You're thinking of 12 o'clock right now. None of these cards matters anymore because you're thinking of 12 o'clock. That's when this memory happened. We don't need these. We only need the 12 o'clock card. I'm going to hand this to James. James, I think you'd agree this is an important card, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll even let the camera get a shot of it if he wants to. I'd like you to keep this. And when you're ready, think of this kind of as a souvenir. When you're ready, I'd like you to show that to Ashley whenever you'd like, okay? you.